Hey guys, welcome to the video. So look what came in the mail today. This is the Coinbase Debit Card. Now, we have all been waiting for this card for a while. I was on the waiting list and I know a lot of people watching this video are on the wait list too. But the good news is they are starting to send these cards out for US and Canadian residents. So great news for us who were waiting for this card. So I will go ahead and do an unboxing of this card to kind of show you guys what to expect in the envelope, what the card looks like, etc. I will not go into details of the benefits and features of this card. I have a separate video in my channel already talking about this card. I'll try to link that in the iCard here so you guys can easily find it. Really exciting card and kind of new in terms of what it offers in the US market. This card has been available in the European market for a while, but this is new in the US market. So great news for us guys. So I'll go ahead and unbox this video and get right to it. Needless to say, I've kind of blocked out some sensitive information. I don't want those information floating around on the internet, but hopefully I'll be able to give you guys as close to an unboxing experience as possible, as I always try to do. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. Okay, we take this out. But before we get to the card, I really like this nice blue envelope. Most of the cards that come to me, whether it's credit card or debit cards, are just a plain white envelope. This is the Coinbase blue. I really like it, really sets it apart. Obviously, you've got this Coinbase C over here, but even if you didn't know, like the blue really sets it apart when you get it in the mailbox. Kind of tells you beforehand this is something different and something special. Totally blank on the other side, but once again, love the blue. All right, so here's my name and address. It kind of blocked it out. We just have one paper here, so let's open that. All right, let's read this. Coinbase Card, spend crypto anywhere, earn rewards everywhere. Okay, the Coinbase Card is issued by Meta Bank, member FDIC, etc., etc. And this is the customer service phone number. You might want to jot it down if you guys need to talk to someone about the card. And here is the card itself, and let's see. Nothing new over here. I kind of blocked out some information here, but let me see. Okay, access premium benefits on your Coinbase card. Use your crypto everywhere. VISA debit cards are accepted, and wherever you are in this world, I think we can all agree Visa is accepted in most places compared to other cards. I think next on the list is MasterCard, and finally Amex, given the high merchant fees American Express has. It's not accepted everywhere, but Visa is the most widely accepted credit card or debit card network there is out there. So I'm really happy that this is a Visa card and not any of the others. Earn crypto rewards when you spend, powered by the Coinbase app. So all these details, guys, like I mentioned, I do have it in my channel. So if you want to know the features of this card, check that video out. This one, I want to make it a strictly unboxing. So let's see. Nice. Oh, look, the Coinbase C again. All right, that's pretty much it. Nothing else on the other side. It's just blank. So we'll get rid of this. And this is the card. All right, this says activate your card in the Coinbase app or in coinbase.com/activate. Let me take off the sticker. nice. Oh, so this is a vertical card, as you guys can see. I like this design. Once again, very simple, Coinbase blue. Says Coinbase, Visa Debit, super simple. Love the minimalist design of the card. It's plastic, bends relatively easily. And also guys, I turned this around and the number, name, expiry, and the security code are all in the back of the card. I know the Apple card doesn't have any numbers physically printed on the card, but this one does. It's on the back side and it's in a vertical format. It's pretty interesting. So I don't want to reveal my numbers on this card, but you can see you've got the Visa pigeon logo there. It's got some hologram on it, so I don't know if the light here is exactly showing that, but it's pretty nice. And right below my name is the credit card number, expiry, etc. So yeah, and this is the magnetic strip. Super simple, super minimalist. I'm pretty impressed by this card. I think card manufacturers can make their cards nicer, at least in design, as it doesn't cost them anything extra, versus, you know, would be nice if it's a metal card, but hey, it's okay. It's a debit card, it's a Visa debit card, and as long as it does what it needs to do, no complaints there. Another thing I want to show you guys is that look at this tap to pay logo, which means you could use this card to tap to pay. You don't have to necessarily swipe or insert the card. So for what it's worth, at least you guys know that if this feature is important to you guys, the tap to pay feature, this card has it. All right, guys, so now I've got two other cards just to kind of give you guys a comparison of this card. So this is my Bank of America card, super ordinary, weighs the same, I would say. Yep, feels very similar, bends the same amount. They're both plastic. So let's see. Yep, makes the same amount of sound. And this is the metal sapphire reserve. Obviously this doesn't bend, this does. Let's drop it. This one definitely makes a nicer sound. Let's drop it again. Yep, definitely the metal card makes a slightly better sound. But this is a Visa debit card, so, and you know, you kind of get what you pay for, or signed up for, so to speak. Not a big deal, doesn't matter to me too much. Obviously, you guys know from my videos, I do like a metal card, but it's not a deal breaker for me. I'm just trying to give you guys as much information as possible so you guys can make an informed decision. And hey, if it's important to you, if it's a deal breaker for you, that's fine. You know, different people have different preferences. I just want to give you guys as much information as possible. So yeah, no one's gonna be impressed when you drop it at a restaurant or something. But hey guys, I'm just glad that this card arrived because I've been on the waiting list for a while now. And if you're on the waiting list, chances are you have been waiting for some time too. But the good news is the cards are starting to arrive. So, you know, that's great. And if you're not on the waiting list or need further information, I'll pin some of the useful links in the description below and also on the pinned comments. So you guys can find those links easily. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Nothing much more to discuss about this card. Obviously, I've got some crypto in Coinbase. That's why I was able to apply for this card and get it. I don't plan on spending my crypto. I'm a hodler, so to speak. So, but if you guys do want me to actually make a video showing you guys how to spend money on this card, leave that in the comment section below. If I get enough comments, I might just do it for you guys. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing that video. And if I get enough comments, we'll make that video happen. So that's about it. And if you guys have any questions, also leave them in the comment section below. So I'm not gonna make this video any longer than it needs to be. So I'll go ahead and end this video here. Like, comment, subscribe, all this usual stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.